The batch that go here in Doha. This is the best face I can give you. As you zoom in, this is the best face. And you look like a mechanical. Sorry po talaga, hindi kami talaga marunong nag-trip lang po kami. Trip lang touch up. Abangan nyo nga dyan ang aming idol na parang Edgar, galing-galing ni Francis M. Niglang at saka ng Pupil. Sobrang masaya kami. Kapon po kami dumating. Tapos, nakitama ko, salamat Salamat sa Qatar Airways kasi nagkapon, kwento lang ako this is how we rest. I have to tell stories. Last December, Parokya and Kamikaze and Sponge Cola went to Dubai. And the moment we reached the floor of the airport, it's a long trip. It's been 9 hours sitting there. And there is no smoking in the airplane because we're not Hollywood stars, okay? So when I go down in the airplane, I immediately get my cigarette and put it in my mouth. Walking in the airport and the security say to me, "Hey, no smoking." And I say him, I tell him, "Yes, I know." So when I was walking, I'm about to reach the gate of the airport, about 5 steps, and suddenly one guard say, "Hey, where's your bag?" I told them, "There, oh." The security say, "Get your bags." I cannot say why, because they're the police and I'm afraid of the police. So I get my bag, they check me, and they put all my clothes off, which make me embarrassed, but I have no choice. So I did what they told me. I removed my clothes. They say that I have to raise my eggs. So this event really happened. So I raised my egg, no drugs, they didn't see any drugs. They told me to about face and spread my ass. So I did it, no drugs. Short, it's just an experience I have in Dubai. But when I reach Qatar, in the airplane, I sit in the business class. Oh, all the trip, I'm just sleeping and eating airplane foods. Sobrang lamig dito, napapa-English na ako. Pag wala mo kayong gagawin, if you're nothing to do, March 8 will be in Bacolod. Sana makapunta. Pwede na kumanta ulit. Salamat sa mga taugama, nagawa sa akin sa mga guardians. Sige lang, Christina, salamat. Thank you very much. Sobrang